The job attracted me because of it's a big vision, it's a big idea, and I like big visions and big ideas. It has a lot of support behind it from the corporate community, from the public sector, the city of Indianapolis, as well as the state. And it's a lovely site on 60 acres, immediately across from the IU Medical School, IU Health, and Eskenazi Hospital, that will eventually employ up to 2,500 people or more in the life sciences, IT sectors, and advanced manufacturing. I think it's a transformative project for the region, which I found to be very attractive and exciting. I would like to see this to become an innovation community that will enable the companies that locate there to attract the global talent that they need to be competitive. I believe it will be a multi-sector community involving the life sciences, information technology, and advanced manufacturing industries. It will be a mashup of startups as well as established corporations, with Indiana's leading universities also having a presence there.
Well, thanks for watching Inside Indiana Business on YouTube. For the latest statewide business news, be sure to visit InsideIndianaBusiness.com and subscribe to our free daily e-newsletters by clicking on the link.